Hey there, and welcome to Wix Templates. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up a repeater using Wix CMS step by step. Whether you're showing blog posts, team members, services, or reviews, repeaters let you display dynamic content that you can manage easily. Let's get started.
First, open your Wix Editor and click the CMS icon on the left. If this is your first time using CMS, you'll see an option to create a collection using AI. Type in the name of your collection and a short description of what you want it to include. For example, you could call it Team Members and describe it as a list of bios with photos and links. Click Next, and Wix will generate a starter collection with relevant fields and sample data. Prefer to do it manually? You can also start from a blank collection, just like working in an Excel sheet. You name the fields, choose the types, and enter your own content from scratch.
See, once your collection is created, it's time to add your content.
Click into your new collection and start entering data row by row. Each row becomes a single item inside your repeater. You can add text, images, links, whatever you need to display. Once you're done, your CMS is now ready to power your design.
Now let's create the repeater on your page and connect it to the CMS.
Go back to your site and click Add List and Grids. Choose a repeater style and drag it onto your page. Design one repeater item by adding and styling text, images, and buttons. This layout will automatically repeat for every row in your collection. Click the repeater and select Connect to Data. Create a new data set and choose your CMS collection. Then connect each element in your layout to a field in your collection. For example, connect a text box to name or an image to profile photo.
Almost done. Let's quickly adjust the dataset settings.
Click the dataset and open Settings. Here you can change how many items load, the order they show in, or add filters.
And that's it. You've created a fully functional dynamic repeater connected to your Wix CMS. You can now update the content from the collection anytime. No design changes needed. Need help building your site faster? Check out our full library of professional Wix templates at buywixtemplates.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.